Welcome to Markets on Air. IAA draws the crowds. Frankfurt Motor Show a big success. Visitors packed into the exhibition halls where the German automobile industry sent a clear signal to Chancellor Merkel. We can be more efficient, more economical, and more environmentally friendly. The German automobile industry rejects EU plans to lower CO2 emissions for passenger cars, saying limits would damage competitiveness.
Europe is searching for sources of growth at the moment, and it makes no sense to put a cap on those sources. Vehicles of all classes contribute to growth and innovation in the automobile industry.
Analysts expect German car makers to benefit from the enormous dynamics of robust global growth. Over the next 5 years, car sales in India are expected to increase by 79%. In China, 54%. Brazil and Russia can expect 28% growth, while U.S. sales grow by 15%. Experts say the United States is an important trendsetter, showing the way forward.
A big new trend is automation. The U.S. auto industry is doing a lot with robots in order to keep ahead of its Asian competition. Letting the machines run around the clock is a trend aimed at lowering costs, and it's made Germany the #1 supplier country in the first half of 2013, putting it ahead of Japan.
900,000 visitors came to Frankfurt to see what's new, innovative, fast, spectacular, and adventurous.
Electric cars in the spotlight. Packing 751 horsepower, it's the fastest car ever to operate on batteries alone. But the Mercedes SLS AMG is also the most expensive, with a sticker price of €420,000. A much more practical option is the electric smart car, but its price tag of $25,000 is still well above the gas-powered version. German car makers are coming out with 16 new electric models by the end of 2014.
We manufacturers are stepping on the gas, and I think important signals are coming out of Frankfurt. First, there was euphoria, followed by skepticism. Now there's confidence that cars like these are giving the future of electromobility a chance.
That's why nearly all the latest models on display in Frankfurt are ready for mass production. Customers do seem attracted to electric cars, but their limited driving range and high costs means that at the moment, most potential buyers are just looking.
$5,400,000. That's how many cars were manufactured in Germany last year, 4% fewer than in the record year 2011. Around 2/3 of the vehicles were sold abroad, with the VW Golf the top export model. German car makers produced nearly 14 million vehicles around the world last year.
China more attractive for investors. Between January and August of this year, some 60 billion euros flowed into China from abroad, a 6% increase year on year. The Chinese government says the figures demonstrate a high level of trust in the world's second largest economy. European investors appear to be the most trusting of all. Investment from Germany alone rose by 30%.
Germany moving up. The World Economic Forum has ranked Germany the 4th most competitive economy this year, up from 6th place in the previous ranking. Noted for its good infrastructure and innovative businesses, Germany has once again surpassed the United States, which ranks 5th on the list.
Offshore wind farm opens. After 3 years of construction, Germany's largest wind farm has gone online. Bard Offshore 1 is a €1 billion project made up of 80 wind turbines off the island of Borkum. The farm provides enough electricity to power more than 400,000 households.
Sustainable business concept, converting vehicles into electric cars. One family-owned company from the city of Offenbach has discovered a lucrative niche market. Lorei Maschinenbau converts automobiles to electric power. We do it very simply. We take out the internal combustion engine here and mount an electric motor. Everything else stays the same from the braking system to the clutch. That makes it easy for drivers because they don't have to readjust. A conversion costs between 10 and 15,000 euros. That includes the lithium storage batteries. For Marco Lorai, every customer and every conversion is unique. The mechanical engineer owns a small fleet of electric cars, including this 40-year-old Saab that he converted himself. The power for 100 kilometers costs only around 4 euros. The fuel for a conventional engine would cost 3 times as much. That's all for Markets on Air.